I've decided I'm gonna take out the jet ski out of the water because there's a cold front coming in and the weather's gonna be pretty bad. And I'm not gonna be going out on it, so I don't want it to get algae. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of quickly show you the process of me taking it out, flushing it, cleaning it, and yeah. Look how low tide it is right now. Look at this. Okay, here you can see better how disgusting this water is. Like, look at this. It's like literally Everglades swamp water. Also, I just saw something come right from there. It's either a manatee or a croc, but I'm hoping it was a manatee. Oh, there's a manatee over there. I just saw it. On to getting this jet ski on the trailer. All right, here we go. I think I'm gonna have to tell him to move it more down because that is very steep. All right, I'm gonna do this with one hand. I got the GoPro in the other. And this is how the pros do it, by the way. You have to move it more back.
Think so?
Yeah.
I gotta go up.
Yeah. Okay, so this jet ski has been in the water for what, 19 days, 18 days? So what are you putting on it?
The greaser.
Can you show them?
Show them what?
What? The greaser, right? And what is the other thing?
Soap.
Okay.
The greaser first and then...
Look how disgusting this is. In the back. We even have some algae growth. Wait. Alright, see it right there. We're hoping it comes off with the degreaser. If not, maybe some, I don't know, pressure cleaner. But here's our process of cleaning the jet ski.
No. Échale aquí, echa soap.
All right, so we're gonna flush it. First, we turn on the jet ski right here. We put this little, what is this called?
Connector.
A connector on. We open this up. Well, you have to make sure the jet ski's on first, and then you put this in. Turn on the water. Our water's already on, and we let it run for about what, like 7 to 10 minutes. And then you take that off and leave the jet ski on for like 45 more seconds. And then you're done. So now we're gonna wash it on the bottom. Gimme.
Scrub that good.
Huh?
Just scrub that good. How do you do that?
I think we did a pretty good job. The algae is pretty much gone at the back here. It's like pretty much all gone. Now we let it dry and then we put the cover on and boom, we're done.